Welcome to our guide to repairing your Amana range. The appliance helpers are here for you. Today we'll be discussing potential error codes, troubleshooting tips, and more so you can get that oven working again in no time. If things seem unclear, check out our website. There's a link in the description. Enjoy the video. If you're looking for help fixing your Amana range, look no further. Our comprehensive Amana range error code guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Code: door flashing 0, 1, 2, 3. Problem: broken latch switch. Fix: replace latch switch. Code: lock flashing. Problem: broken latch switch. Fix: replace latch switch. Code: F0. Problem: safety signal lost. Fix: replace adapter board. Code: F1. Problem: watchdog circuit. Fix: replace electronic range control. Code: F2. Problem: oven overheating. Fix: replace oven temperature sensor. Code: F3 or F4. Problem: the temperature sensor shortens or open. Fix: replace oven temperature sensor. Code: F7. Problem: touch panel shortened. Fix: replace the glass panel. Code: F9. Problem: door motorized. Fix: inspect latch switch. Code: FF. Problem: lock error. Fix: inspect switch and motor. If you're looking for help fixing your Amana range, look no further. Our comprehensive Amana range troubleshooting guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Amana oven not heating. The igniter is the most commonly defective part for an oven not heating. The igniter has two main functions. First, the igniter draws electrical current through the oven safety valve to open it. Second, the igniter gets hot enough to glow and ignite the gas in the oven burner. If the igniter gets weak, it will fail to open the safety valve correctly. If the valve does not open, the oven will not heat. To determine if the igniter is defective, observe the igniter when the oven is on. If the igniter glows for more than 90 seconds without igniting the gas flame, this indicates that the igniter is too weak to open the valve. If the igniter is weak, replace it. If the igniter does not glow at all, use a multimeter to test the igniter for continuity. If the igniter does not have continuity, replace it. Amana oven doesn't bake evenly. If the bake element is burned out, the oven will only be heated by the broil element. This will cause the oven to heat unevenly. When the bake element is heating properly, it glows red hot. If the element does not glow red, this indicates that the element is not heating. Often, if the element has burned out, it will be visibly damaged. Inspect the bake element for holes or blisters. To determine if the bake element has burned out, use a multimeter to test the element for continuity. If the bake element does not have continuity, replace it. Amana oven broiler not working. The broiler element may have burned out. When the broil element is heating properly, it glows red hot. If the element does not glow red, this indicates that the element is not heating. Often, if the element has burned out, it will be visibly damaged. Inspect the broil element for holes or blisters. To determine if the broil element has burned out, use a multimeter to test the element for continuity. If the broil element does not have continuity, replace it. Amana stove heating element not working. The surface element board has relays that regulate the power supply to the burners. If one or more of the relays fails, the surface element won't work. If two or more burners fail at the same time, this indicates that the surface element board is likely at fault. If only one surface element won't work, use a multimeter to test the element for continuity. If the surface element has continuity, the surface element board might be defective. Amana stove burner want light. The spark modules provides power to each surface burner spark electrode. If the burner produces a weak spark, or if the burner sparks intermittently, the spark module might be defective. Before replacing the spark module, first check the spark electrode and the spark wire. If the spark electrode and spark wire are not at fault, the spark module is likely defective. If the spark module is defective, replace it. Amana oven temperature not accurate. When the bake element is heating properly, it glows red hot. If the element does not glow red, this indicates that the element is not heating. Often, if the heating element has burned out, it will be visibly damaged. Inspect the heating element for holes or blisters. To determine if the bake element has burned out, use a multimeter to test the element for continuity. If the bake element does not have continuity, replace it. If an electric oven is completely dead, check the breaker. Ovens pull a lot of electricity for cooking and baking, and something as simple as a power surge could cause the breaker to trip. Locate your home's service panel and look for a breaker labeled oven. If the breaker has tripped, the switch will be midway between the on and off positions. To reset the breaker, push the switch to off, and then back to on. This should fix the problem. But if the breaker trips again, call an electrician. Consider replacing an electric oven's heating element, as long as your oven is past its warranty. You shouldn't let this repair intimidate you. You needn't be an electrician to replace a heating element. First, test the heating element, the curved rod along the bottom of the oven. Turn the oven on to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and, as it heats up, observe the element. If the rod doesn't start to glow red, it should be replaced. Check the position of the oven and stove knobs. If an oven range combo has manual knobs instead of a touchscreen, and if you recently removed the knobs while cleaning, there's a good chance they were put back incorrectly. Check to make sure each knob is in its proper place. Consult your owner's manual if you're unsure. Sometimes the fix is as simple as switching knobs to their designated spots. Clean the igniter on a gas stove. If the stove's burners come on but the oven is not heating, the problem could be a dirty or faulty igniter. Consult your manual to determine the location of the igniter, which often resembles a 1 to 2 inch metal module covered with an open grid metal cage. The igniter may be visible in the oven, or you may have to remove the bottom oven panel to access it. Call a technician at this point if you don't feel comfortable with the next steps if you opt to clean it. Turn off the gas to the oven before you begin. Use a toothbrush to remove gunk and debris from the igniter. Then unclog the pilot light hole with a sewing needle. If this doesn't fix the problem, the igniter should be replaced, and that's definitely a job for a qualified technician. Whether you're cooking up dinner on a weeknight or appetizers for the big game, Amana brand range ovens make it easy with the features you know and love, including versatile cooktop. Get multiple burner or element options with up to 15.000 BTUs. 3.000 watts to help you cook your favorites all at once. Large oven capacity. Cook more at a time, so you can spend less time cooking and more time doing the things you enjoy. Temp-assure cooking system. Distributes heat throughout the entire oven to deliver delicious results. Bake assist temps. Make cooking more convenient. Just select a preset temperature. Press start, and let the oven do the rest. Easy touch electronic controls plus. Quickly select bake or broil temperatures with these extra large touch controls. Amana brand ranges simplify cooking. Browse their full selection of gas range stoves and electric range ovens and all of their other quality affordable kitchen appliances. MSRP prices range from $499 United States dollars to $799 United States dollars. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more repair guides.